Plastic shopping bags. What can you do with them? You can melt them down. What I have done, I've melted it down. These are our standard shopping bags in Australia. I've made a block. Right. This material is low density polyethylene. Okay, well, it does hold a shape. But for my purposes in modelling, I don't think it can be really used. It could possibly be used as like a filler material. Yes. Get the light on it. When you turn it in the lathe, it turns all right, but I wouldn't say they're air pockets as such, but it leaves like almost like a furry edge to it. There could be little air pockets. Maybe it just needs to be mixed a bit better than what I'm currently doing. Here you can see that's where when I'm turning the lathe, it's gripped it there and there. But anyway, it's good, it's hard. But for my purposes, yes, I still haven't found a use for it. Oh, there's Mr. Bean coming out again. Right. The next one. This is I recently bought a barbecue probably about 3 months ago, and in all the parcels there were plastic bags for all the parts. All the orange here is just the colour on the plastic bag. Anyway, this one here you can see more of what I'm talking about. It's rather not the prettiest. Maybe they're more like air bubbles or something. Look now. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it wouldn't be my best material to. It's hard. Like the other one. Yes. Still trying to find uses for it. Like I said, it could be just if you needed to use it as filler for something. You could make discs, you can make any part you like. The thing is that when it's machined, it doesn't really machine too well. But if you melted it down and you put it into a form or into a mold, that might be better option, and it might keep more of it'll keep more of its shape, and it'll won't be as furry. Well, I'll call it furry or air bubbles. I don't know. The little tiny air bubbles, I suppose, but it's not the best. For modelling purposes, I don't really think that we can reuse plastic bags. If you're wanting to make something out of it, paintbrush holder, or make these, and I can drill a few holes in here, and I can put parts in here while they're drying. That's an idea. Use it as a parts tree while they're drying from the airbrush booth. Stick them in here. Yes, or even paintbrushes. Make a paintbrush tree. Drill holes around here, or even with our drills. Drill a few holes around here, then we put our drills in here. Then it's handy. Your drills are handy. Even a file. Drill holes in there, we can make, and our files are in here. So all we do is we pull it out and the files are there. Yes, like I said. Any comments? What we could do with it? I'm all ears at the moment. Just not sure. It melts alright. But it's just machining it. Machining it just doesn't really machine well at all. Not out of the plastics that I've tried anyway. Alright, thank you. Bye.